Hello everybody, it is Tom Runger here with Vitruvians. I have a quick health hack for y'all today. For those of you who like a little bit of sweets, like some desserts, I'm going to show you a really simple, fast, awesome recipe that I do all the time. That's a little bit of a dessert if you're trying to eat healthier. So for this, you need 4 ingredients. Protein powder, I use 100% Gold Whey. That's my preference. This is good, but you can use anything. Powdered peanut butter here, I use PB Fit. This isn't the healthiest thing, but it's a good option, especially if you want to have something nice and tasty, but not too many calories. PB Fit. Quaker oats here, I got old-fashioned oats and a banana here. So, really easy. I'm going to walk through how to make this step by step. I've got my bowl here and I've got my food scale to get correct portions. First thing you're going to do is take a serving of PB Fit. This is 16 grams. So I'm going to get 16 grams of PB Fit in here. Close enough. Done with that. We're going to take 40 grams of protein here. So for me that's a little bit more than 1 scoop, but we'll just measure out exactly 40 grams. Boom, perfect. What flavor is this? I think this is like cookies and cream or something, but you can use whatever. So I've got the first 2 ingredients, those 2 powders. Now this is just water. I'm gonna pour some water in there and mix it up. You wanna get it nice and mixed up. It's okay if it's a little watery, but you want it to not be too watery. I put a little too much water in, but that's okay. All right, so it looks like that. Again, I made that definitely a little bit too watery. As you can see, my cooking skills are top notch here. Once you put those first 3 ingredients in, I'm gonna put 20 grams of Quaker Oats, old-fashioned oats in here. So this isn't a full serving, 20 grams is half a serving. You can do a full serving if you want, but I don't want too many carbs in here, so I'm just doing a half serving. Put the oats in there, stir it up a little bit more. Just like that, we got it all nice and mixed here. Last but not least, it wasn't all mixed. Last but not least, we're gonna take our banana. I like banana. Banana really, because it's kind of gets mushy, it does a good job of sort of mixing in this and really like kind of holding it together, almost making like a little bit of an ice cream texture. But I've also done this, you can do it with blueberries, strawberries, whatever your heart desires. I love bananas and peanut butter, that's a great mix. So I'm just cutting it up into little slices here using my spoon as a little knife, just, you know. I'm an innovative guy. I'm doing this all in real time. This whole thing takes like 3 minutes to do. All right, got my peanut butter, or got my banana. Once you do that, I kind of smash it with the spoon a little bit, get it all. I try to essentially mush up this banana. And this sounds like overly simple, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this all up. It's gonna be kind of like a pudding, yogurt type texture. As you can see, it looks just like that. I'm gonna mix up the bananas in there a little bit more. Basically, all you do is mix this up. If you want to put some cinnamon in there, you can mix in some cinnamon. You don't have to. Take this bowl, put it in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how hard you want it. It'll harden up for you a little bit, and then you can just eat it. It tastes delicious. It tastes better than ice cream to me. Looked it up. The macros on this, we've got, depending on your protein or depending on your ingredients, it'll vary a little bit. But for this particular thing, we've got 396 calories, 44 grams of carbs, only 5 grams of fat, and most importantly, 43 grams of protein here. So if you go to the grocery store, even if you get Halo Top or one of those healthier versions of ice cream, that's gonna have a lot of added sugar, and it's does not have a lot of protein, but this is an excellent alternative to going to the grocery store, buying some ice cream, stuff like that. So give Tom's homemade protein ice cream a try. It's delicious. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.